Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Sentra windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small towel, and a flathead screwdriver. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright service position. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade straight down and off the arm. Once the blade is free, gently lower the wiper arm back towards the windshield, being careful not to let it snap down. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enjoy music or get information hands-free. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it rests properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.